So, good day. My name is Nazla B. Camille. So, I report the Clean Air Act. So, the Clean Air Act is a comprehensive federal law in the United States that regulates air, significant USA federal and enacted in 1963 and expanded in subsequent years that regulates air emissions from both stationary and mobile sources, aiming to improve air quality and protect public health. So, the Clean Air Act has had significant positive effects on public health and the environment by reducing air pollution level over the years. And that's all for my report. Thank you.